everybody, it's Rebecca with Good to Know. Welcome back. Today is Sunday, October 27th, and we've got a new drawing going on. This one is, it may be small for you, but it's going to fit. You're going to like it. Today's drawing is for an Amazon gift card. It's going to be valued at $25, and you can either get a physical card or we will give you the email link to add it to your account. So to enter this drawing, we want you to use keyword gift card. We want you to use keyword gift card. You can use it as one word or two. We will accept both. Make sure you are a subscriber, please. And
I guess you need you definitely probably would need an email address for this one.
yes,
that's how we're going to give it to you.
Yes, we will require an email address or a physical street address if you want us to mail you one. International, you are eligible for this because it's just a gift card. It's not just a gift card, yay. It's an Amazon gift card, you guys, $25. So to enter, just leave a comment with gift card. You can put it in a sentence if you want to. One entry per person, and if you've won before, you can still win again, so keep on coming back and entering.
Gotta be a subscriber.
Gotta be a subscriber. We're gonna be checking. And anything else?
Go watch our cooking channel.
Of course, go watch our cooking channel. I was gonna say that. It's Cast Iron Skillet Kitchen right here on YouTube. Check us out on Roku also. It's also Cast Iron Skillet Kitchen. Go on over there and subscribe if you haven't already to our YouTube cooking channel. That channel right now is supporting this one, and we appreciate each and every one of you supporting us by being subscribers.
All right.
Leave us a comment with that keyword.
And we'll see y'all on the 3rd, right?
That's right. This drawing will close on November the 3rd around 9 a.m. So make sure you leave us your comment before then. After 9 a.m., no more entries, please. That's it.
That's it.
Thanks for coming and watching, you guys.
Bye.
Amazon gift card can be yours if the comment is right.